Good morning, boys and girls. I hope that you all are well. We are going to be doing our mathematics lesson. So now, boys and girls, we will be doing greater than, less than, and equal to. So let us read. Number 1, 39. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to 52? Number 2, 58. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to 44? And number 3, 16. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to 16? So as you can see, boys and girls, number 1, 39 is less than 52 because 39 is smaller than 52. Number 2, 58 is greater than 44 because 58 is more than 44. Number 3, 16 is equal to 16 because 16 is the same as 16. Now we will be doing our place value. It says decompose the following numbers into tens and units. Which two numbers make up 31? Thereafter, we need to break it down further into tens and units. So when we break up 31, we will get 30 plus 1, which makes 31. And when we break it down further into tens and units, we will get 3 tens and 1 unit. So boys and girls, this is the activity that you will need to complete in your work pack. It says greater than, less than, or equal to. You need to compare the numbers and see which is greater, which is less, or which is equal to. The next one says place value. Decompose or break down these numbers into tens and units, and then fill in how many tens and how many units. So first you will have to break down the number and then you will show how many tens and how many units. Number 1, 68, and number 2, 61. Now we will be doing our grouping and sharing. Sharing. Let us read our problem sum. You have 12 apples. You need to share it with 2 of your friends. How many apples will each friend get? So boys and girls, as you can see in this picture, I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 circles. And there are 2 boys at the bottom. Now we're going to see how many the first boy will get and how many the second boy will get. The first boy has the red arrows and the second boy has the blue arrows. Let us count the red arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, the first one has 6. And the second one, let us count the blue arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the second boy has 6. You can see that I have skipped 1 for each child, and that is how I have got 6 and 6. So there are 6 red and 6 blue arrows. So each friend will get 6 apples. Now let us do our grouping. There are 9 balls. You need to group it in 2. How many groups can you make? How many remainder you will have? Let us count our 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now let us group them. So when we group in twos, we've got our first group and our second group, our third group and our fourth group. So we have 4 groups. And there is 1 ball that is left. So that is our remainder. So we can say there are 4 groups and there is 1 remainder. So here learners, this is the activity that you will need to complete in your work pack for grouping and sharing. It says answer the following word problems. Use the block to show your working and your sum. Write your answer in a sentence using the line that follows. Kate has 12 pears and she shares them with 2 of her friends. How many will each friend get? Number 2, there are 19 balls. Group these balls into 4. How many groups can you make? Say how many remainder you have. So you will have to do the grouping and sharing activity by using the method that I have showed you to work it out. Now we will be doing our halving and doubling. So now children, as you can see in my first block, let's count how many circles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are 8 blue circles. Now let's see in the second block how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so half of 8 is 4. Now let's count the red circles. In the first block, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the second block, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So half of 10 is 5. Now let us do our doubling. Let's read the problem. Jerry has 9 oranges and Kate has double the amount of oranges. How many oranges does Kate have? So learners, we know that Jerry had 9 oranges. So let us count the 9 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if Kate had double the amount of oranges, so that is going to be 9 plus another 9. Now let's see how many Kate has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So Kate has 18 oranges. Double 9 is 18. Therefore, we can say Kate has 18 oranges. Children, this is our halving and doubling activity that you will need to complete in your work pack. It says draw half the number of shapes shown in the boxes. So you are going to look at the first box and then draw half that shape in the second box. How many diamonds did you draw in the box? Number 2. You will count the hearts and then you will draw half on the next block and then say how many hearts did you draw in the box. Doubling. Solve the following word problems. Show your workings in the block below. Kerry has 10 sweets and Jack has double the amount of sweets than Kerry. How many sweets does Jack have? You will have to do your working here as well. Now we will be doing our repeated addition leading to multiplication. Let us read our problem. One sack has 4 pears. How many pears does 5 sacks have. So now children, as you can see our 5 spaces on the top, we need to count them and then we will say how many pairs. Then we have our multiplication which we need to work out. Thereafter we're going to say 5 sacks has how many pairs. So remember there is 4 in one sack. Now we will say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 in one sack 5 times, which will give us 20. So therefore our answer is 20 pairs. So our multiplication sum will be 4 times 5, which is 20. Therefore we can say 5 sacks has 20 pairs. So here children, this is our word problems for our repeated addition leading to multiplication. This is what you will have to complete in your work pack. Let's read. One sack has 4 fruits. How many fruits do 10 sacks have? So you will do your working like how I showed you. Use that method and thereafter you will do the multiplication and then you will say 10 sacks have how many fruits? So learners, we have come to the end of our lesson. Please do not forget to complete your activities in your work pack for Tuesday. Now we will be doing our patterns, functions and algebra. So here boys and girls, it says draw lines to match column A to column B. So in column A, we have our shapes. Let's see our shapes. We have rectangle, heart, rectangle, heart. And at the bottom, we have square, diamond, square, diamond. Now let's see in column B. We have square, diamond, square, diamond. And at the bottom, we have rectangle, heart, rectangle, heart. So we need to see how these shapes are going to match. Yes, boys and girls, I have drawn my arrows to show you how these shapes match. So column A, the first block, rectangle, heart, matches with the second block in column B, rectangle, heart, heart. Now let's see column A. The second block, which is square, diamond, matches with the first block in column B, which is square, diamond, diamond. So boys and girls, it says complete the following number patterns. Let's read. Number 1, 32, 34, 36. What comes next? Let's see how we're counting. So 32 plus what will give you 34? Let's count. 32, 33, 34. So we're jumping 2 times. 34, 35, 36. 2 times. So this means that we are counting in 2s. Number 2, 40, 43, 46. What comes next? Let's see how we're going to count. So 40 plus what will give you 43? So 40, 41, 42, 43. Now we are counting in 3s. Number 3, 70, 74, 78. What comes next? So let's see how we are counting here. 70 plus what will give you 74? So 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So we have moved 4 times. So here we are counting in 4s. Number 4, 100, 105, 110. What comes next? So let's count from 100 to 105. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. So here we will count in fives. Number 5, 80, 90, 100. So let's see what we are counting in. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So which means here we are counting in tens. Now let's see our answers. Number 1, remember I told you we are counting in twos. So let's count 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. Number 2, remember I told you we're counting in threes. Let's count 40, 43, 46, 49, 52, 55. Number 3, I told you we're counting in fours. Let's see. 70, 74, 78, 82, 86, 90. Number 4, we were counting in fives. Now let's see our answers. 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125. And number 5, we were counting in tens. So let's complete our pattern. 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. So that is how we complete our number patterns. Boys and girls, we have now reached the end of our patterns, functions and algebra lesson. Please remember that this is a recap and you will find this activity later on in your work pack for the week. Now boys and girls, we are going to be doing addition, subtraction and multiplication. It says work out the following. 26 plus 12, number 2, 46 minus 16, number 3, 6 times 5. So boys and girls, let us see how we are going to work out our sum. So remember, 26 has 2 tens and 6 units, and 12 has 1 10 and 2 units. So as you can see, I have drawn the circles. Now we need to count them to see how we have arrived at our answer 38. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, I've got my 2 tens. Now let us count our 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got the 2 tens and we've got the 6 units. That makes 26. Now let us do our 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 and at the bottom 1, 2. So we've got 1 10 and 2 units, which makes up 12. Now let us count everything to see what answer we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So boys and girls, 26 plus 12 is equal to 38. Now let us do number 2. It says 46 minus 10, which is 36. So I drew my 46 circles. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Remember, 46 is made up of 4 tens and 6 units. So we have our 46 circles. Now we need to take away 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As you can see, I have scratched out 10 at the top. Now let's see how many is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And that is how we have arrived at our answer 36. Boys and girls, let us work out for number 3. Number 3 says 6 times 5, which is equal to 30. We need to see how we got the answer. As you can see, I have drawn my circles. We need to count them to see what we get. So on the left hand side, I have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for number 1, I have circles. Now we need to count how many circles I have for number 1. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 3 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 5 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 and we have it 5 times. So now we need to count it all together to see what answer we get. Let's start from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So as you can see, my answer is 30. Or we can count in 6, 5 times. So it will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And that is how we have arrived at our answer 30. Boys and girls, we have now reached the end of our addition, subtraction and multiplication lesson. Please remember that this activity is a recap and you will find it in your work pack later on in the week. Now we have come to the end of our mathematics lesson. So boys and girls, please do not forget to complete your activities in your work pack. Remember, there are some activities that you will find later on in the work pack.